Mom, where's my phone?
I don't know, sweetie. Did you check your room?
Yes, I looked everywhere. Did you check under my bed?
Yes, I did. It's not there. Did you check the living room?
Not yet. Maybe it's on the couch.
Oh, right. You were watching TV. Look on the sofa or under a pillow.
Okay, I'll check. Let me know if you find it. Mom, I found it.
Where was it?
Under the pillow on the couch.
See, I told you. You always misplace your phone.
I know, I'm sorry. I'll keep it in one spot next time.
Good idea. Maybe get a small basket for your phone.
Smart. I can put it on my desk.
Great. Now wash your hands. It's time to eat.
Okay, Mom. Thanks for helping.
Anytime, honey.
Mom, I don't feel well.
What hurts?
My head and throat.
Do you have a fever?
Maybe. I feel hot and tired.
You should see a doctor today.
Okay, I'll call now.
The doctor can see you at 3 p.m. Drink some water.
Okay. Can I have soup?
Yes, rest on the sofa. I'll get your medicine.
Thank you, Mom.
Don't worry, you'll be fine. After the doctor, rest more.
Sounds good.
You are the best, Mom.
Thanks, Mom. Let's go to the clinic now.
You'll feel better soon.
I hope so.
The doctor will help you. We might wait a little.
That's fine. We're on time.
Hello, what's your name?
I'm Alex.
Please sit and wait. Are you feeling worse?
A little. My head still hurts.
Don't worry, the doctor is kind.
Mom, it's 9 o'clock. Do I need to get up?
Yes, it's morning, but no work today.
Okay, I'll get up.
Go wash your face.
All right, Mom. I feel fresh now.
Are you hungry?
Yes, very.
I made pancakes and toast.
Thank you. Smells delicious.
Sit and eat.
Okay. What will you do today?
Maybe clean my room.
Good, it's messy.
Yes, I'll tidy it and do laundry.
After that, maybe watch a movie?
Not too long.
Help with dinner later?
Sure. Eat now.
It's tasty.
After breakfast, clean your room.
Okay, Mom.
Good boy. Thanks. You're the best.
Mom, it's raining. Can we go outside?
No, Alex, it's wet.
I'm bored.
Let's bake cookies inside.
Yay!
Wash your hands.
Ready.
We need flour, sugar, and eggs.
Here's flour.
Good. Now sugar.
Got it.
Crack 2 eggs. Mix all.
Looks funny.
It'll taste good.
Can I eat now?
Not yet. Bake 15 minutes.
I'm hungry.
Let's clean the table while we wait.
Okay, I'll help.
Cookies smell so good.
Almost ready. Can I have 2?
You can have 3.
Yay! I love rainy days.
Me too.
Daniel, can we talk?
Sure, Mom. What's up?
You've been quiet.
I'm thinking about my future.
That's normal at 20.
I feel a little lost.
Lost how?
Don't know what I want.
You don't need to know everything.
Everyone seems so sure.
People worry too, even inside.
Really?
Yes, even your dad and I had questions at 20.
I feel pressure from school and work.
That's okay. You never disappoint me.
Thanks, Mom. Do you want a break?
Maybe a small one.
That's smart. Rest is important.
I'll balance work and rest.
That's all I ask. I'm proud of you.
Thanks, Mom. I needed this talk.
Anytime. I'm always here.
Hello, Alex. What's the problem?
I have a headache and sore throat.
Let me check you. You have a small fever.
Is it serious?
No, just a cold.
What should I do?
Take this medicine and rest for 2-3 days.
Can I go to school?
No. Stay home and sleep.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
I will. Thanks again, Doctor.
Now go rest.
Yes, Mom. I'll bring your medicine and soup.
You are so kind.
I love you, son.
I love you too, Mom.